Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds LG TONE Free. And before we're starting, I wanna show you that I customized some gesture. So I changed single press for the left earbud and triple press also for the left earbud. I think it's much better than what these earbuds offer by default. Now let me play some song, and the touch area is located at the back side of your earbuds. Right here at the top you have dot right here and right here, and you need to tap at these touch controls. Now I will put it to my ear. So firstly, if you press one time at your right earbud, you will play or pause the song. So I press it, as you can see I just pause it, press again, and I will play a song. By default you can also use it for the left earbud. Next, we have double press. If you double press with your right earbud, you will increase the volume. 1, 2, and as you can see at this widget, let's make it again. 1, 2, and I just increase the volume. To lower it, you need to use your left earbud and also double press. 1, 2, 1, 2. And as you can see, I lower the volume. Next we have triple press, and if you triple press on your right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Also by default, if you press 3 times on your left earbud, you will also play next track. But I change it, and now with the triple press, I will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Also, we have single press for the left earbud, and with single press, as I said, you can call voice assistant. I have Apple device, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, then you will call Gemini. So I press one time on it, and as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works. And also we have press and hold. Now let me show it for you, and right here we have ambient sound control. So right now it enables ANC. So if you press and hold on your left or right earbud, you will swap to transparency mode, and as you can see now we have it. If you press and hold again, you will return to ANC, because by default it's set to swap only between ANC and transparency mode. But if I use normal mode and I press and hold, firstly I will swap to transparency. And that's it. Also we have factory reset. We can also make it with the controls, so you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the lid. You need to press and hold at the both of the touch areas at the same time until you can see the LED light on the front side start blinking red. And then you just reconnect it, but if you don't know how to do this, at this channel we have video about it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!